What if you could bottle up your company's genius? Well, today we're going to explore exactly that.
You know those brilliant experts you have? So much of their knowledge is trapped, causing major bottlenecks.
All that re-explaining just wastes time and kills innovation. Seriously, there's got to be a better way.
The big idea? A universal language for your business that everyone gets, people and AI.
Okay, so let's dig in. Who actually needs this knowledge? The answer might just surprise you.
See, it's not just about sharing with your team, it's for you later, and even for AI agents. Right, you're writing for your future self, who will totally forget, and for AIs that need it spelled.
That old saying is so true, right? So how do we actually pull this off?
It all starts with a solid foundation. These are the 4 pillars that turn ideas into language.
This is how it all connects, the concepts, the symbols, and a data model machines can read.
And don't worry, you don't need to be some modeling genius. This whole thing is way more intuitive. Here's the core principle. Draw first, formalize later. Just start sketching out your ideas freely.
And just like that, your drawing isn't just a picture anymore. It's a model computers can actually use.
This is what breaks that barrier, creating a real partnership between you and the machine.
You know, it's not about the drill bit, it's about the hole. It's all about the actual result.
What you're building is a powerful knowledge asset, an advantage nobody else can copy.
So your experts can finally stop repeating themselves and start building a real knowledge library.
This turns static knowledge into a dynamic engine for growth. So, what could your diagrams build?